client. All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Yesterday, I always like to, I try and avoid, what I call spiking the football. Now, ACY was the number one watch, from the weekend watch list, by the way. This was that, it squeezed on Thursday, not Friday, because the market was closed on Friday. But had a big run last week, held up into the weekend. And we get so many of these, on Money Monday, as we say, that continue to squeeze up. Now, this halted a bunch, so I get it. If you didn't trade ACY, I understand. I mean, halts are frustrating. They're annoying. But the biggest thing I want to point out is whether you traded it or not, the setups, we just see it repeat and repeat and repeat. Anytime you get a stock, low floater, Amex, Scamex, as we like to say, that holds up into the weekend, we just get so many of these, man. So that being said, again, with the halts, it's annoying, it's frustrating, I get it. But hey, nothing would surprise me. It's 2021. Stock market blew to new highs. I mean, huge move yesterday in the overall markets. We keep raging today. I mean, it would not surprise me to see ACY break back over 16 again. Back on third wave squeeze over 16. So last night, Mara swing trade sheet. So in the SteadyTrade Team, I talk about the SteadyTrade Team a lot. It's the mentorship program, small group. I every Monday night we do a strategy session where we typically focus on swing trades. Mara was our number one overnight idea in the afternoon webinar. Keep in mind, in the SteadyTrade Team, I do 2 webinars every single day. I actually did 3 yesterday. So, 9 a.m. webinar, 3:30 p.m. webinar, 6 p.m. webinar. I mean, listen, if you're looking to learn this stuff, I don't know. I put it all out there, man. As far as I know, nobody else is putting out 3 webinars a day, answering every single question every day, never late, never sick. Okay? 5 years. 5 years I've never missed a webinar. Ever. Like, never, ever, never in 5 years. Okay? I don't know anybody else that can say that. I don't call in sick. I don't cry. I don't whine. I don't have excuses. I show up every single day. Do with that what you will. All right. Anyway, Mara, number one idea, gapping up this morning. Looks like it's going to continue. Booyah. So, all right, those are my main ideas. Let's get to some questions. Here's the 5 more years. Thank you. Thank you. Muds. Heavy Metal Henny. Heavy Metal Henny. I like your username. Well done. Muds. 40 million float. This a SPAC? Which one is this? Too many SPACs. What is Muds? Hops. Huh? Baseball cards? I love 2021. Oh, God. Baseball cards. Oh, my God. Oh, jeez. Hey, here's the thing. I can cackle like an idiot. That as much as I can mock it, it's probably who knows what it'll do today. Oh, baseball cards. Is it like 1982? Oh, Muds. Today's SPAC, but tops baseball cards. I don't know, man. Dip and rip. I mean, here's the thing. I can mock it all day long. But it's a dip and rip. It's a day one SPAC. Who knows what it'll do? Thoughts on GEVO? I don't know. What are you guys bringing me here? GEVO. Thoughts on... Oh, man! Oh! All right, sorry. Instagram, I'm done with you. Why is anyone asking about GEVO? All right. I'll go over to Nicole and get some questions from YouTube. Because if you're asking about GEVO, man, I got nothing for you. Heavy Metal Henny asking about Muds, well done. GEVO, whatever, man. So JBL asks Zach. Ooh. No volume, but pretty chart. What is this? I know this company. Why do I know JBL? What is this? Oh, EV 3D. Oh, okay. 3D printing. Oh, okay. So, kind of a slow mover. More of a swing trade. I would look for afternoon VWAP holds. So, Zach, kind of a little bit more of a boring stock than we look at on pre-market prep. But it's an afternoon VWAP hold for swing. AR Pad asks about PHUN, PHUN. Whoops. Just get some news just dropped. Bitcoin. Okay, Funware. All right, what do we got here? News just dropped. So at 8 a.m. So I didn't see the news yet. Fully integrated cloud, blah, 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 blah. PHUN wallet. They bought 25 Bitcoin. So, what do we got with PHUN? Let's run it down. So, 8 a.m. PR. Bitcoin related. Bitcoin's one of the hot sectors right now. A little bit higher float. Former runner. Kinda higher float. Now I put that in parentheses. I mean, 65 million isn't like, it's not like a billion shares in the float. It's a former runner. What do we got for volume? 8 million shares. 60-day average is 15 million. So it's already traded 50% of the 60-day average. So I call that good volume. Probably going to be a chat pump. So I would look for, it's pulling right now. Probably going to get the 9 a.m. chat pump. So ideally, chat pump comes in. Comes in at 9 a.m. Then 9:45 or later, dip and rip. So thank you, AR Pad. For sure. This is definitely a top dip and rip with this Bitcoin PR. So, hey, they're in Austin. Shoal Creek Boulevard. Let's take a peep at this office. Ooh, nice looking. Yeah, dip and rip. UAVS, Blake Griffin. Blake Griffin. Doesn't he play for the Pistons? Isn't that in? Do I have an NBA guy on pre-market prep? Yeah, didn't he? I think he got traded. Anyway, I think he played for the Pistons. Hell, I don't know. Anyway, Blake Griffin, thank you for being on pre-market prep. Week open red to green on UAVS. This squeezed yesterday afternoon on no news. UAVS late afternoon squeeze on no news. Week open red to green. Junk stock, joke, UAVS, joke. But if you look at that, I mean, look at that 330 move from 7 to 850. You know, that's just, I mean, this is all 100% bagged shorts, okay? Understand what this move was, okay? And anybody that was dumb enough not to cover is going to panic if we go red to green, okay? So here's the thing, any smart short seller covered into this, okay? Anyone dumb enough to hold this overnight is going to get smoked when it goes red to green. So that's your move at any point today. Any point today, this breaks 835, 850, you're off to the races. Thank you, short sellers. So, all right, guys, have a great day. Again, check out the SteadyTrade Team. Love what I do. 2,500 webinars. I'm doing 11 webinars this week. All 45 minutes-ish long, 30 to 45 minutes. Have a great day, and we will see you next time. Go Muds. I'm rooting for Muds. The baseball, or the baseball card play. Go Muds. Bitcoin doing anything right now? Nope. You? Man, I tell you, that's the big thing I liked about Mara. Mara had an incredible move, and Bitcoin's done nothing since noon yesterday. When and if Bitcoin goes, man, Mara, giddy up. So.